Okay, let's do another drawing. So we're going to click new, and we won't need Miss Lady here again, so we're going to delete her. Um, and let's create a rectangle, but this time let's make it face the green axis and the blue axis. So we're going to click rectangle, and then we're going to go and um, turn our model so it's facing the sky. And we also want it to show more of the green, so we're going to go there, and you see this to be parallel with the green, but it must be colored red. So click the center or the origin, drag on the red axis, and we're going to do another 12 feet, comma 12 feet. Press enter. Okay, and that's what we want. Okay, a rectangle facing that way instead of facing here in front. All right. Next, we are going to draw here on this face, and it's whenever you're drawing on a face, it's easy to always go to your scenes and then go to the side where you're looking at it from the from that angle. So you can click here, okay, and now you're looking at this face parallel to it, and it's going to be easier to draw when you're looking at this face. So what we're going to do today is we're going to click this tool called the freehand tool. So freehand tool, let's start here. And freehand tool is basically you're just holding it down. You're holding your mouse while you freehand and draw into a shape. Okay, and then end there and then release. Make sure that when you release, you're touching the edge. Here, I did not touch the edge, or I released my edge. Something's wrong with my mouse, but anyway, you simply just close that. I'll just close that with a line. There you go, and it'll you see it turned thin, and that means that they are exactly on the surface. Okay, so let's zoom out, and what we're going to do is we are going to erase. Did I draw another line there? No. We're going to erase this surface. Select and press delete, and then this surface, select and press delete. And then you can see now that there's a freehand drawing that is exactly and parallel to that surface. We just deleted the fill, okay? And then we're going to now draw another circle, okay? And let's see, maybe we can do a 6 inches again, okay? And it will close this for you. Then you have to just click and delete it again. Click the select tool, select delete, select delete, okay? And then we're going to again use the follow me tool, and we're going to simply click on the profile. Oh, I forgot to erase this line. Okay, so if I don't select the line, I can select the profile. So I'll just delete this. There's a line here in the middle. There you go, and this one too here. So it's one whole circle. And then I will use follow me tool, zoom out a little bit, and then so make sure you can see all of the freehand. So select the profile and then use the follow me tool and go through that profile. And you don't need to actually click follow, but you can just simply jump here, okay? And then wait for it to remember what you wanted to do, and then you can just follow here again or click here and then wait for it to remember, and then simply just point until you reach that edge. You should be able to rotate while you are in your while you're drawing uh, on your trackpad. I think you just have to press Control or Shift or something like that. So click here, and then there you go. It'll create this profile that's smooth and textured on this shape. If you don't need that again, um, if you don't need this anymore, then we can delete it. Let's just leave it there, and then we can use the uh, you can use the mirror or flip tool. I always use flip, but flip tool, and then flip it. But we have to select that first. We have to select that first, like that, and then we're going to use the flip tool, and then we are going to actually move this green portion here and move that to this edge corner. Okay, move that there, and then we don't want to erase original, so we have to click Control so it remembers to um, make a copy. Okay, so let's repeat that. I forgot to press Control. We're going to make sure that when you do the flip or mirror, that you press Control before you move the object. So we're going to move this and point to that corner, and then it should create a mirrored version. Okay, when you're done, you simply uh, click anywhere, and then there you go. Okay, so that's what we have. Okay, and then we're going to simply erase the lines that we don't need. So you select the erase tool and erase these lines that we don't need. Yeah, there you go. And so you remember that we did this with the green axis along this way and the red axis this way. So that's important. We're going to again put our, well, let's save this first. So we're going to save, yes, purge all, go to my Google Drive, and then SketchUp files, and we are going to name this freehand, save here, okay, and then we're going to again put our name on it, and make sure that it says 3 feet, okay, and then we are going to put our name on the floor, but you are going to rotate that one. So we're going to click the bottom corner, make sure that it's that you press your arrow until it turns blue, okay, click here and then click another corner on your name so that you can rotate it this way 90 degrees, and then if it bumps into your drawing, you simply pull it down and center it, press escape when done. You're now ready to take a picture of this one for your escape before. So we're going to just take another picture of it, screenshot, and then we're ready to now put that on escape before. That's our last drawing for our document. Okay,